Female condoms are a form of contraception. They protect against pregnancy and also help prevent sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. Female condoms are worn inside the vagina, acting as a barrier to keep sperm from reaching the egg. Female condoms offer a choice. They are different from male condoms and the woman controls them, which can be quite empowering. They are also useful for people who are allergic to latex, as most female condoms are made from nitrile, a type of soft plastic. Female condoms are effective when used correctly. They are about 95% effective, meaning 5 out of 100 people might get pregnant each year. Always use them as directed to ensure maximum protection. Female condoms are easy to find. You can buy them in drugstores, and they are also available online. Some health clinics even provide them for free. Knowing about female condoms gives you more options for safe sex. Female condoms look different from male condoms. They are larger and have a flexible ring at each end. One ring is closed, which is the insertion end, and the other ring is open, staying outside the vagina. The material feels soft and is thinner than most male condoms, making it comfortable to wear. The outer ring covers the external genitals, providing extra protection and reducing the chance of STIs. Male condoms are smaller and fit over an erect penis, whereas female condoms do not need an erection and can be inserted at any time, making them convenient. Some people find them easier to use. Both types of condoms serve the same purpose. They prevent pregnancy and STIs. Choosing between them is a personal decision that depends on comfort and preference. Understanding the differences helps you make an informed choice. Using a female condom is simple. First, check the expiration date. Do not use expired condoms. Then, open the package carefully. Do not use your teeth, as this can tear the condom. Hold the closed ring and squeeze it with your fingers. Insert it into the vagina and push it up as far as it will go. The open ring should stay outside, covering the vaginal opening to ensure proper placement. During sex, guide the penis into the condom and make sure it does not slip to the side. After sex, twist the outer ring to seal the semen inside, then pull the condom out gently and dispose of it properly. Practice makes perfect, so try inserting the condom a few times to become more comfortable. You can also use extra lubricant if needed, as this helps with insertion and comfort. Section 4. Safe disposal of female condoms. After use, remove the female condom carefully. Do not let the semen spill. Twist the outer ring to seal it. Gently pull it out. Dispose of it in a trash can. Do not flush it down the toilet. This can cause plumbing problems. Wrap the used condom in tissue. This is more hygienic. Place it in a small plastic bag if you prefer. This helps with odor. Always wash your hands after disposal. This prevents the spread of germs. Do not leave used condoms lying around. This is unsafe. It also can be embarrassing. Dispose of them immediately. This ensures a clean environment. Educate others about proper disposal. Proper disposal is important. It shows responsibility. It also protects the environment. Always follow these steps. This makes sex safer for everyone. Section 5. Importance of not reusing female condoms. Never reuse a female condom. They are designed for one-time use. Reusing them increases the risk of failure. This can lead to pregnancy or STIs. Each use weakens the material. This makes it more likely to tear. Always use a new condom each time. This ensures maximum protection. Using a new condom is simple. It is also more hygienic. Reusing condoms is not worth the risk. Always have a supply on hand. This prevents the temptation to reuse. Educate others about this. Many people do not know the risks. Sharing this information keeps everyone safe. Always prioritize health and safety. Section 6. Conclusion and encouragement. Female condoms are a valuable option. They provide protection against pregnancy and STIs. They offer control and convenience. Learning how to use them is important. Always follow the instructions. This ensures effectiveness. Never reuse condoms. Dispose of them safely. This shows responsibility. Ask questions if you are unsure. Talking to a healthcare provider can help. Share this information with others. Educating yourself and others promotes safe sex. Female condoms are safe and effective. They are easy to use. They give you control. Consider them as part of your healthcare routine. Stay informed and stay safe.